The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Hello and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. After some issues, we seem to be up and running. Give me like a couple minutes though, because I gotta get like everything back up and running and all my browser stuff and all that. Gotta get logged back into everything. I hate technology, but at least it did make me create a new stream this time. Figured that one out. So let me get all my crap back up. And then we'll rock and rumble. Thank you for sticking with me through that little issue. I think I gotta remember. I mean, it worked. Usually, it only stops working if I reboot, and like I didn't reboot, so I don't know why it stopped working. Okay, that's done. Okay, bringing NinjaTrader up, then bringing Tradovate up. Gotta get my login info for that. Morning, JC. How's it going? A few more. Hey, we are logged into Tradovate. Oh, wow, we're still logged into Tradovate here? Really? Wow, we are. Okay. There's Tradovate. What else did I forget to do? My music. There we go. Okay. I still have things to get back up and running, but we can start the show. NQ overnight. I mean, ES overnight hit a high of 43.87. Looks like the low is just recently reached at 43.71. So that's about 16 points of range. And NQ, kind of a different pattern than ES. NQ's low was 883 and its high was 935. So it's a very small range, like only 50 points. It's been a very choppy night. Copper has about, oh, it's still dropping. Look at that drop. 120 ticks of range. Gold also recently dropped. About 10 points of range. Ultravond. Very tight range overnight. Only about 3/4 of a point. Crude oil. Ooh, just bottomed out. Now trying to bounce. About 2 1/4 points of range. And natural gas is all wonky. Bitcoin doing well. But between at 30.7K. Okay, so now we're ready to rock and rumble. Let me get my crap all set back up the way it should be. Fun, fun, fun. I gotta say. Okay, that over there. News this morning. News. We got news. We got news. Canadians at 8:30. We have U.S. durable goods and Canadian CPI at the same time. Then at 9 o'clock, we have U.S. house price index. And at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. new home index and U.S. CV consumer confidence. So a lot going on this morning. Y'all are hearing me okay, right? Mic's working now. Excellent. Okay. You can see over the last hour or so, we've been coming down. About 16 minutes away from news. Right below the 100 here in the NQ. Yes, sitting at 44.73. Sorry, I guess Mike was picking up my fan a bit. I apologize for that. So, let's see what we get today. Nice little purple candle there in ES. So we'll see how things go today. Chopper, chopper. Crude oil. Yep. Treasuries are pushing up here. Ultra bond market opens here in a few minutes. Agriculture overnight. Big move down there in soybeans. Huge move.
We'll probably stay flat here until after that gaggle of news that comes up here at 8:30. As we watch and we wait. So JC, are you still testing ICT or? Oh wow, awesome. Let's see. News, news, news. Just kind of hanging here, 14,905. ES at 43.73. So you can see here the NQ has been coming down now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th day. You had one day where it popped back up and finished above its opening price, but pretty much downward movement. This is ES actually. NQ is the same though, pretty much. ES has been falling faster than NQ has, but still. Oh, that's awesome, JC. Awesome. You still get up at god awful times in the morning and start trading too, right? Oh wow. Are you using that time to get extra sleep, or are you just doing other stuff in the morning? Good. Definitely keep us updated. Ah. So choppiness abounds here before the news. Choppa.
Yawning. Yes, still trying to come down here. I've been up and down. I mean, still fighting for that consistency. It's getting there. Hey, Crypticon, how's it going? Honestly, I think I'm right on the verge. If I didn't feel I was right on the verge, I would have quit already. Did you get your trade in for the day on the Blue Sky account, Crypt? Excellent. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Yeah, JC, and there's no reason, you know, if both work. I mean, I don't know how, I don't know exactly, either situation, but I'm not sure if like your old strategy has different setups than the ICT strategy. Never hurts to have more than one thing in the playbook, I guess is what I'm saying. Yeah, Crypt Blue Live. I'll have a blue. We have less than 5 minutes till news. It's just uh, you're on a live sim account. You gotta so you're got a profit target of Crypticon of $6,000 again. And once you hit that $6,000, you move over to a live account, and that $6,000 moves with you. So basically, you don't have to worry about the trailing drawdown in the live account or anything like that because you have that money, or you can withdraw it. You can withdraw some of it, whatever. Right, no daily loss limit.
Yeah. I mean, and then you can withdraw, etc. So let's see what the news does. See if the news gives us any direction. I mean, sideways is a direction technically. Just like if anyone asks, because if I'm in shape, I say round is a shape. Morning, Philip. Yeah, ICT's been around a while. A lot of people swear by them. The only thing I don't like about ICT is there tends to be a little bit of a cult following there. It's kind of weird. If anyone questions it, you get ganged up on, from what I've seen. But other than that, I mean, it seems to be successful for a lot of people. There's a nice pullback there at the open on Ultra Bond. $40 till the first round of news of the morning. We get to find out how much inflation is affecting moose pelts and maple syrup in Canada. I don't think so, Crypticon, but ICT has, I think he has like multiple different. I mean, it's a whole course. He has hundreds of thousands of followers on Twitter. Oh, it is. Okay. Never mind. I have no idea what I'm talking about. So a little bit of spiky here. Let's see what the news was. Canadian CPI 3.4. Expected was 3.4. Those Canadians are gosh darn good. U.S. durable goods 1.7%. Expected was negative 0.8%. Huge beat on that number. Rising up 7 points. Oh, how I love it when you rise it up. Hey, Jay.
Crude oil still trying to bounce here. Copper sideways down a one-way street. Gold moving up nicely. We're moving on up. Sorry. Excuse me one second. Hey, John, how's it going? So, moving up about 14 points here on this 5-minute candle. Yes, with a nice move up as well. Yes, up to 43.77. Yeah, I saw they beat the Rangers. Rangers are a very good team this year too. Excuse me. I mean, well, here's a question, John. If they're still in the running at the deadline, do you think they're gonna try and make any big moves? I don't know, John. I never expected the Phillies to be in the World Series last year. So still rising up. So it's gotten back everything it's lost over the last hour and a half. All right, up to the Bollinger Bands. Nice move up. So like the news, market like the news, market love the news. Start spreading the news. Uh, Slept pretty good last night. I'm not sure why I'm yawning. I guess I need to get more sleep, not just good sleep. So we're back up to this point here. See if it breaks on through, which is high day. I think we just made a new high day. We did. We made a new high day. ES has not made a new high day. ES had a higher high day earlier. Yep, more news coming, and more news at 9 as well. 9 we have U.S. case shiller, U.S. house price index, and U.S. house price index month over month. Those aren't marked in red though.
'Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11. But get some and invest in yourself.
70% off part of that deal supposedly ends at the end of the month. So get in those before the end of Friday.
The 90% off of those MightyOx deals runs through at least through July 6th. Of course, Apex also has 90% going. We're just kind of watching now. It's struggling in the same area. So are we going to double top here? It came up, rejected, now it's back up to the same area. And right now, looks pulling back some. Pulling back some. Crude, still bouncing here. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, natural gas took off.
Yeah, I'm surprised we haven't seen that yet. Well, you know what? Kind of. I mean, Lilu at one point did a uh, $3 evaluation. It's kind of what started all this craziness. That was in, I believe, November of 2021. They did a $3 eval.
And that's what started these price wars, I believe.
And a gold sell. Did you get in or the algo get in, John? Yeah, it's a nice candle. Excellent. Has the algo been taking any trades today? NQ pulling back. Just an NQ gold pulling back at the same time as the Ultra Bond's kind of bouncing. Bouncing baby Ultra Bond. Copper popping up. Popper, popper, copper, copper, popper. I have no idea what I'm just saying. I'm just mumbling now. I'm a mumbler. Beautiful, John. Beautiful. There's the pullback. Let's see if we bounce here. I think it's trying to here on the 1 minute chart. Yep. Back to red. We're burning red. And we're breaking the 20 on the 1 minute chart. It's kind of bouncing around here. 14,920. ES 43.79 with a purple candle back down to the 100. We are about 13 minutes from the top of the hour. Let's check in on gold here. Huh? Looking good. Looking good there, John. At least I think. NQ's still coming down. Did break the 20 there. Hey, Sid, how you doing? Nice, John. Excellent. Congratulations. How long do you plan on fasting, Crypt? Break down below the 20 here. Just remember, you know, fasting every now and then for a long period of time is okay. Don't do it too often, or you end up starting to slow down your metabolism. And it's also better to do it like, here and there, so your body doesn't get used to it. You want fasting to be a stressor. Correct. Yeah, intermittent fasting is good, John. Just change it up. They found that if you're like, a lot of people used to do 16/8 every day, and they found that your body gets used to that. So it's good for like if you do like 16/8 a couple times a week, and then maybe a 24 once a week, things like that. So your body doesn't get used to it.
John DeFore, how's your eating been? Are you staying low carb? As the Nasdaq bounces off the 20 here. I'm sorry, bounces off the 100 as in playing with the 20.
A show, Sid. That sounds like big news.
Yep, John, that'll do it. That'll do it. Where's this show gonna be, Sid? Or can't you say it? There's the break of the 100.
Definitely understand that, Crypticon. I have a food addiction and I have problems with binge eating. And I'm the size of a small whale. Maybe medium-sized whale. Uh, anything. Uh, now I mean, if I binge now, like at least it's usually keto carnivore stuff, so at least I'm not binging carbs. But if there's carbs around, I can certainly binge carbs. Back in the day, I would really binge carbs. You can
multi-stream to both Facebook and YouTube at the same time. If you want to do, if you want to do a live type of show, if you want to do a recorded show, it's easy as well. Bouncy, bouncy here. Yes, still coming down though. We are just a minute. There's the top of the hour. Yeah, definitely keep us posted on that. What JC said. Top of the hour. Crude bouncing off its 100. Or, I'm sorry, 20. You can't use EMAs mixed up. Wow, look at natural gas. Rose up and then fell right back down. Ultravon continues to fall. Gold. Kind of hemming and hawing there. Bounced up some. Purple candle. Oh, that sucks, JC. We're short here off of this purple candle on the 1 minute. Gonna reduce our risk there to only about 6.5 points. Let's see where we go. See how late did I get in on that? Yeah, not bad. Pushing down. Can I get below this little wick of this candle? There we go. Not really. There we go. We're up 5 points. Continues to try and push down. That's 6 points. Nope, pulling back just a hair. Nope, pulling back big. Don't like the wick. Yeah, it bounced off the band on the 1. Let's see if it comes back down for me. There we go. Doesn't want to sustain. Ah, back up to my entry. Wow. That sucks. Come on, come back down. Yep. Ouch. Trying again. About 40 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Hanging right around my entry. There we go. Back in the green for a little bit. Oh. Bouncy, bouncy. New 5-minute candle. Let's see if it comes down or up. Kind of choppy here. There we go. There's some movement down. Yesterday 43.76, right on its 20. Dow 33.946. Doesn't want to break down for me here. Well, this previous candle 902 half. Just different than 90210. Trying to push down. Can it get through? Needs to get through 900 to get to my target is at 899.75. So it needs to get one tick below 900. I don't know if we're gonna do it. Continues to hesitate in this area. Back to my entry. Hey Ace, how you doing? Excellent. And now this is gonna come up and stop me out. Darn it. Oh, maybe not. Taking it off the table there, I don't like this setup. See what happens see if I just chickened out. Took a 1-point loss. See what happens to it. Crude's still heading up here. Gold bounced. Copper, nice move up. Ultra bond, still coming down.
You can see it's sending a purple candle again there, I don't know, but it's just all choppy. I probably should have stayed in. Something's messing with my audio. Excuse me. Comes back down, so I could have stayed in and got some profit. Good morning, RJ. Trying to figure out what's affecting my audio. Wait. How is it your fault, RJ? Popping back up here. That's still a nice win. Wow, that's just horrible. So, are you out the money, or are they giving you any type of refund, or what's gonna happen there? ES heading up here, 43.79, nice blue candle there. Good. Still rising up here now. So good, I got out when I did there.
Pulling back. So we are less than 15 minutes from the bell. One trade so far. It's a very small loss. We are waiting for our next opportunity. Cat's clawing my chair. Ready to rumble here. We want something to rumble with. I can't believe they're taking Lauren's wealth. How are we doing out there, guys? Nice move up on silver. Platinum pulling back. Remember, at the top of the hour, we had more news: U.S. new home sales, and U.S. CBE consumer confidence. I didn't think anyone used CBs anymore. I'll be happy to tweet about it, RJ. So it's trying to get back up. We double topped here. Right here. We kind of double topped. Can it get back up there and break through? That was high a day right there at 9:35, or I'm sorry, 9:37.25. Yep, pulling back there. Got a little too high. Decided didn't like it up there. Hey, Leonardo, how you doing? Nice to see you. Reminder everyone, and thank you for being here. Hope you're enjoying the stream. If you are, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up. Always feel free to join us in the chat. Questions, comments, Camaraderie always welcome. Have you already traded the other Apex accounts you got, Crypt? I mean, you can Crypticon, but you need to figure out how to manage these feelings of boredom. You know, because I think they get you in trouble. I mean, yeah, you can get in more Apex accounts. I mean, or whatever. But I feel like this has been a vicious cycle for you. You know, boredom leads to trading more, and then trading more leads to blown accounts, and blown accounts leads to you getting upset, and then you buy more accounts, and just keeps kind of repeating. How we all doing? Waiting for the bell. About 6 minutes away. Pulls back. Just kind of choppy. See what the bell brings us in 5 minutes. Pulling back down now under the 20. Lower high there. I have a friend who builds computers. If you lived closer in this country, I could have got him to build you one. All you had to do is buy the parts. He built mine. And it's now almost 4 years old. And it's hanging in there very well. Of course, I could kind of go almost supercomputerish when I had it built. So, waiting for the bell. Getting ready. A little under 3 minutes. Let's get ready to rumble. Rumble in the jungle. I'm babbling. And while I wait for the bell, I'm going to put a trash bag into the trash can. Because I'm a multitasker. I can walk and chew well. I can't really say that. I can't walk real well. And Q popped for a second there, but nothing. Now we're 90 seconds away. Thirty seconds. Are we ready? Yes, we're ready. Put more songs in Ace's head. Getting a blue candle here right before the bell. Obviously, I'm not going to take that. And ding, 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 ding. Pushes down immediately, down 7 points. Yes, 43.79, 25. Bounces off the 100, back up. Dow and Dow and ES are green here. They say it's not easy being green. It's not something I know for sure. Faux show, faux show. Oh, there we go. Boom. Okay, it's heading up toward that resistance area there, where we've double topped before. We're up 14 points here. And ace is long in the ES. NQ pulls back a bit and then up. Ooh, trying to get ahead of steam. Touches that resistance. Wow. Pulls back from it. Almost to the tick. Wow, big pullback off hitting that resistance. Wow, look at that. Hit 936, pulled all the way back down to 921. ES pulls back as well. It's hitting a Bollinger Band. Dow, though, still showing strength. RJ's like, y'all should be in the Dow. Up 34. NQ trying again. And now the Dow's pulling back. Here comes NQ with a head of steam. ES sitting at 43.81 quarter. Up. NQ shies away from it again. ES pulls back as well. Agriculture at the open. Not a lot going on there. Gold popping up big to high day. Ultra Bond broke new high day. Big blue candle before this one. Crude pulling back slightly after a huge candle there shortly after it's open. Trying again here in NQ. Nice. Just Sid. Very nice. There's the Dow again. Dow's up 54 points. NQ once again got close to that resistance and then, wow, rejected massively. Pulled ES rejecting as well. Now we're big red on the NQ candle. Down 10 points. And falling down 20 points. Wow. It got swatted big time. Triple top there now. On that NQ, that is a huge level. Looking to see whether or not really a big level in the past that I see. ES back to green, NQ. This is like a huge doji. And Dow just like, ha ha, we're going higher. Not sure why it had such a weird sounding laugh. ES stuck around 43.81. NQ 14.910. Dow now up 64 points. IM is up 76 now, and here's NQ trying again. Look at this. Look at this, folks. ES also now showing strength. Can it break that resistance? Can it take us higher? Boom! Break. ES up to 43.84. NQ now up to 14.945. This is high of day. 14.950. Yeah. It's a little hard to see him there. Guess we can get rid of that line. Oh. As we're now at 956. So it took like 3 attempts to break that, and now it's finally broken. Now we got to get a new one again. Wow. Over 50 points now in NQ. ES rising up 43.86. $961 is where we're sitting at. Pulling back now. Back inside the bands. The 1 minute chart, red candles the last 2 minutes. Yes, settling in around 43.85 right now. Gold made a new high, then pulled back. Ultra bond, same thing. Crude's giving everything back. We're up 35 points since the open. Lean hogs are falling. You better be careful. Be looking up. And now the NQ's giving back this entire candle. Wow. Got to a high 970. It's back down to 940. Remember, we do have more red folder news in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So the Dow, since the open, went up about 130 points, pulling back just a tad, just a hair. But look at NQ. I considered taking a short off that candle because if that's a definite, you should short here a candle, but I didn't.
Dow to now we're trying to bounce again. This is weird. Off a 1 minute chart there. Watching it. Where's my Tradovate chart? Strong. Wow, it's a 20. That was a 20-point 1 minute candle, and seeing the size of that kind of just scared me there, and I should have went in anyway. Back into the bands on the 5. It didn't give me 10 there, so maybe I was right to be scared. I don't like this right now. This is kind of discombobulating. That's right, I said discombobulating. There's the rise again. That would have given me 10. Assuming no slippage. We'll see. That would have given me 10. Good job, Ace. Still feeling hungry? That second long must have been mostly carbs. You sit on a big exercise ball, Ace. Wouldn't you just kind of bounce away? Pulling back here. Yeah, long here might be a little bit dangerous. Ace looks like it might be finding a little bit of resistance here. These candles are ugly. Not that we trudge. RJ's holding up a big neon sign. You should have traded Dow. Where he got the neon sign from, I don't know. There we go. Pulling back. This is an ugly looking last couple candles. Agriculture's ugly too. Copper's trying to push up. The currencies are trying to push up. Gold sideways. Ultra bond is trying to push. Crude is trying to find an identity. Now we're pulling down. Big move down there on Dow, down 4.5 on this candle. Back down to 43.81. YM pulling back. And Ace goes short. What was your entry, Ace, if you don't mind saying? Nice, nice, nice. There we go. That's 2 right there. Another 2 points for Ace. I feel like I'm at Hogwarts. 2 points for Ace. 5 points for Gryffindor. Down to 43.80 half here on ES. NQ still can't decide what it wants to do. Big move down here on ES, down to 43.78. Bouncing there. Assume you just got stopped on that trade there, Ace. Nice job, buddy. Good day. Didn't get a 10-point runner, but still, very good day. I hate to think I mean, if you look at the 1-minute chart down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see how choppy it looks there. Just a chop fest right now. Chop Fest City, USA. Pikachu. Dow's falling faster than the NQ now. It was rising faster earlier, now it's falling faster. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. And there's NQ rising up. Now maybe finding some footing. I said footing, not pudding. Cat saying hello once again. So our high there on NQ on that weird candle there was 970 half. We're back up to 954. Remember, we have news in just about 8 minutes.
Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11, but get some and invest in yourself.
NQ's trying to get back up to its high. That's beautiful, John. Excellent job. Oops. Come on. Why won't you? I won't fill in my password. Going for high a day here. I'm not logged in on another tab, you idiot. I don't think. Let me make sure of that. Sorry, I gotta go through each of these, make sure I'm not logged in. Okay, why is that coming up there? Maybe that's why. Let's see. Okay, so let's try again. There we go. Yep. Almost got up to 14,969, so about a point off the high. Remember, 5 minutes till some red folder news. See if it shakes up the market. Consumer confidence and new home sales. Pulling back tad again. Big pullback, breaking the 20 on the 1 minute chart. ES sitting back at 43.80. Seems like we've been there a few times today. 953, 953 on NQ. Dow, right around 34,000. Chopper. Big pull down on gold though. 5 points on this candle. Platinum, silver also falling. Ultra bond pulling back a tad. Copper following the other metals. Crude oil giving everything back it got from its open. Yep. Be careful, guys. News coming up in just a minute and 20 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. 10 seconds. Indecisive news so far. Let's see what it is. Neither numbers come in yet on. There it goes. U.S. new home sales 0.673 million. Expected was 0.675 million. That's a big beat. U.S. consumer confidence 109.7. Expected was 103.85. That's a huge beat as well. Very positive economic news. New high day in NQ. 14,979. ES, not as bullish. 43.82. Pull back slightly. So it got a new high, then immediately rejects. Wow, look at gold. Gold, boom. Something upset the gold market. Down 10 points here in the last 6-7 minutes. Metals just falling to the floor. Currency's pulling back.
Ultra Bond's breaking its 20. Crude oil's all sad. You would think this economic news was bad. Bad. Bad to the bone. Yep. But we're still really haven't found direction here. That's a slightly blue candle, but with those wicks like that, I ain't touching it. We are, I mean, this, you can see we are trending upwards, but yeah. Yeah. It's a technical term. Yeah. Yeah, that was an ugly candle there in NQ. All I want is something to trade. Another bounce there on crude. Big purple candle here, down 16. Y'all got very quiet. Great. Get some rest, Jay. Or did you mean the market's sleepy? Yep, 23 points, 26 points, falling fast. Not afraid of falling. Wow. 26 points. ES falling too, back down to 43.81. So 32-point candle, very quick down. Down to the 100 EMA, breaking it. Wow, now a 43-point candle. Meanwhile, ES is a 5.5-point candle, but YM is like, well, I don't know what's going on. I'm only down 7 points. NQ bouncing off the 100. New candle. We're starting to push down. Wow, big push. I was questioning it because of the bounce off that 100 there, but quick move. Breaks the 100. Yeah. Well, he's in Romania, so sometime late afternoon there, I think. Approaching 14,900. Giving everything back from the morning. Taking a short here off the 1-minute chart. Yep, that was a mistake. Big bounce. Maybe. Yeah, mistake. Stopped out. Take the loss. Wow, this broke 14,900 down on 14,894. So I was right. I just didn't give it enough of a stop there, I guess. ES down to 43.75. Yeah, I know. I just didn't give him enough to stop. Oh. Yeah, very nice trade, Sid. Bouncing here. Dow's popping back up with a blue candle. Back up to 923, so big bounce there. 80, that got down to 14,888, which, no. And now back up by about 35 points ES, back up to 4381. It's been hanging there a lot. Jay, did you see Chase's question? Now it's coming back down. Crude trying to come back up. Ultra bond touched its daily low. Look at gold continuing to fall here. Copper trying to bounce. ES, big blue candle. 3.75 points. Jaden, he just meant, are you getting a lot of rain? Or not a lot of rain? A lot of rain. Pulling back here at the end of this 5-minute candle again. We're in an ES trade off that blue candle. Got it in 1 tick slippage. It's not bad. See if we can get anything out of it. Oh, it's pulling back. One of these days, nothing's gonna work for me here. Wow. Yep. There we go. Coming back up. There we go. So the first week with this blue sky account, I could do no wrong, and now I can't do no right. Won my first 8 or 9 trades. There we go. Now we're getting some movement up. Oh, we were using my entry as resistance. NQ's heading down, big purple candle. Dow's still showing strength up. ES is in the middle. There we go on ES, showing some green. NQ is just wonky today. There we go. There we go. Look at that. We'll take that. 2 points. 2 points NQ. Got a little bit back of my loss from earlier. Actually, 9 ticks. 2.25 points. That's a winner. Hung in there. Thank you, Ace. And I can learn something from that. I moved my stop to my actual strategy stop instead of just using a certain amount of points, and it worked out. Now we are down just 134 on the day. It's not, not wonderful, but not horrible. Then he tries to pop back up. Pulling back. ES sitting 43.83 half. And NQ's back above its 20 here, trying to push up. Just trying to do push-ups. Oh. The Dow's pulling back a tad. ES still at 43.84. I'm glad I got out where I did there. Just hemming and hauling around between where I entered and exited it. Lean hogs going up. Russell pushing up. Crude oil bouncing. There we go. Crudes are liking the bouncing in. Ultra bond. Not sure what it wants to do with its life. Gold. Oh, there's a nice bounce on gold. And copper trying to bounce as well. ES continuing to push up now, 43.86. So high day on ES, by the way, was that last hourly candle, 43.89. NQ's high is now 14.979. But it's been very choppy this morning. Choppy. Chop till you drop.
So I know Ace is up. I know Sid is up today. How did everybody else do? I know John DeFore's up. How did everyone else do? About a half an hour to go. Still a chance I can find something I want to trade to get me to the promised land of green. Oh, purple candle here on this new candle, or it's trying to be. Popping, not popping. Doing nothing. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow news, we have, now like someone said, PAL speaking week. Looks like we have a bunch of speakers from every, like the leaders of the Central Bank of Europe, the UK, United States, and somebody else. I'm not sure who that last one is. All speaking at the bell, 9:30. Before that, at 8:30, we have retail inventories and wholesale inventories. And then also, of course, at 10:30, crude oil inventories. Then on Thursday, there is an absolute whole gaggle of news. And we also have German CPI, which is something people have been watching because it's been Germany's been having trouble getting it down. Not that we haven't, but they've been really having trouble. Big purple candle here again, trying to come down. Sorry about the sounds I'm making. Another blue candle on ES. I don't feel as confident in that one. Just because we haven't really broke above the highs. Now it does have a minute to go. So we'll see. We shall see what we shall see. Still, look at that. I mean, this is just an ugly sharp for NQ. Any way you look at it. Any way you look at it. Ugly, ugly, ugly. And I hate to judge it, but I mean, it is what it is. Definitely applaud you folks that have been green today. There's a sending a blue candle, but 4 minutes to go on it, so we'll see. We'll see what we shall see. Have a great day, Ace. See you tomorrow. Yep, still no directions here. No one direction. Oh, wow. Look at the Russell taking off, though. Russell's taking off. Trying to send us a blue candle here. Let's see, we got about 2.5 minutes. Question is, with as choppy as we've been, even if this is a solid blue candle, do I want to take it? It's a question I have to ask myself. Solid blue candle, it's a 10-point candle. Well, there, not as solid now. It was a solid blue candle. And now it's not even a blue candle at all. Not at all. You might hear some noise. I'm putting some groceries away as I trade because I am talented like that. Blue candle's back, but more wick than body. We don't like that at all. We don't like it at all, I say. Yep.
not sure. Jay? Blue candle? Because a pretty good blue candle ended up. And down, so ended up being a good decision not to take that one right there, right there. You sure know your Disney, Jay. And trying to pop here. Take a long. So if I taken the long off the blue candle, I would have got in 3 points better. So, oops. See if we can get a small win here. And maybe not. I should have stayed out. I'm just going to make the day worse now. That's okay. All wonky. I should have stayed, kept with my thoughts of staying out of this junk. There's the stop. Wow. Okay, so today ended up being a bad day, guys. Down 344. That was just a stupid entry there. Just wanting to do something, and that's I shouldn't have. I'm not taking many trades, and I don't like that. I mean, going on that blue candle was in my strat, but this is just wasn't conducive for it. I did not know that, Jay. But I guess I can kind of see the influence there. Back down to the 100. Totally no reason to take that last trade. I got to start looking at all my indicators that tell me where not to take a trade, and that was where not to take a trade. Bouncing off the 100. 15 minutes to go. Talking with the mic muted. Just an ugly day. Not many opportunities. I mean, other people obviously did well, but 5-minute chart plays were not really here today. Yep. Nothing. I mean, Dow is probably the best today. Let's look at the Dow here and blow it up. This blue candle here was a great possibility to start going. I mean, you see, that's where it started going long. That was before the 8:30 news. You can see that would have been great. But even on the 5-minute chart, all these blue candles. I mean, this one was a doji, but after this one was a nice move. Now we're kind of sideways after this one, but Dow's was the best non-choppy asset of the day for indices anyway. Ultra bond keeps stretching its daily low by a tick or two. Tick or two. Crude oil keeps bouncing off its 100 EMA. Just trying to pop up here. Mind your Bullinox and Apex sales. You should get them while they're hot. 90% off. Intraday drawdown accounts, 70% off. End of day. And also earn the trades, 50% off right now.
Back up to 14,944. Hang in here. Yeah. So an ugly chart day. I mean, there was opportunities, but blah blah. We'll get it back tomorrow. Maybe. I mean, hopefully it won't continue to get this. Won't continue to be this choppy. Five minutes to go. We're kind of limping in. Viewership is down. And I don't think we're going to get another trade today. Agriculture. Yeah. Bitcoin's having a good day. Bitcoin touched 31,000. Pull back some now. Hey, I'm Mad. How have you been today? Absolutely. Hey, you missed me taking a bunch of losses. It's actually been a very choppy day for the NQ at least, so
Pulling back here, just a few minutes to go. See, no direction here at all. The 1 minute chart, this is the 1 minute chart, looks ugly as pie. Smashed pie. There was news earlier. They didn't really move the market much. Tomorrow we got Powell speaking, so that might do something. Well, it's like all the central bank speakers from Europe, UK, United States. So that might do something. They're scheduled to speak right at the bell. There's no other news scheduled for the rest of today. And a couple minutes to go. Yeah. Back down comes. Up, down, left, right, AB, AB start. So this isn't going to give us anything else, so we're going to call it a couple minutes early. Do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and hopefully tomorrow will be a much better, more eventful day. Hope we can get some wins, get some money back, get this Blue Sky account that was doing so well back on the right track. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.